industry generates 4.7 trillion globally but loses billions to quality failure. A single foodborne outbreak can cost a restaurant up to $2.6 million. One negative review can drive away 30 potential customers. And the industry's 74% annual turnover rate means the people who know your standards leave before they can enforce them. Hotels face 800 plus checkpoint audits, restaurants get annual health inspections, and when these issues are found, they're tracked in spreadsheets by these consultants who manage 30 plus sites but without any structure. There is no accountability to fix these issues. There's no tracking, there's no logging. So that's why we present quality loop that fixes this. It helps consultants to manage their properties seamlessly by enforcing action towards these issues. We also have external auditing support that allows external auditors to submit their findings in a seamless and a structured manner, which reduces manual work by more than 10 times. Let's get into our demo. So there are two ways to audit. One is the internal audit and one is the external audit. Let's have the internal audit first. Let's create a property which we will audit. So grand big hotel will be. Select the project that you're working on. Select the property type. Here we are just going with hotel. And enter the location, name of the person who manages it. And we are done. Now we can start auditing it. So this gives us a pre-configured checklist of things that we need to audit. This is different for different types of properties. Let's just enter some random values for now. Now let's see what happens when we give a bad rating. So we can just give 1, add some no's that would be useful for the consultant to work on this and solve this problem. Add some photos as evidence of the issue. And we will complete the audit. So one action item was created. Let's see on the action item. So as you can see, grand big hotels, there was a problem with the security protocol. So we can see that here in our Jira board as well. We have the details of the problem and the image that we attached there. Now we can assign this issue to someone and they can look into it and we can follow up on this. Okay, and once this issue has been resolved, we can either move it to done here or go to the quality loop for extra verification. You can resolve this issue, choose the type of evidence that you want to present. We can present another picture or document or something, and just write some comments. Now let's go to the final verification process. Now the manager or the final person can just check whether the audit was done properly or not and can basically confirm, okay, it's done. So I can just verify it and close this issue. And that is for the internal auditing. Now let's look into how external audit works. So first we need to get the project ID that we want to share to the external auditor. So here let's get the project ID for the Grand Big Hotel. Then we have Google Forms which the users can create on their own, where they just have to enter the property ID. The auditor will enter their name, their email, and the criteria that the user or the consultant has decided. They can just enter that, add some comments if they want to. And submit this. This will automatically create issues in our Jira board. Here we can see the external audit is here. We can now assign this to any of our consultant. We now know, okay, what the issue was, and this is how we can streamline external audit as well. and keep a central place to track all of our properties, different ways of auditing, and different issues that come up. That's it for the demo. Thank you for watching.